The students arrived to their class today very confused. The professor had told them to come to class prepared to discuss their personal balance sheets, but they didn't understand what he meant by personal balance sheet, nor did they understand what the terminology of assets, liabilities, and equity entailed. The professor overheard their discussions and promised to relieve their stress with a simplified balance sheet example. Here we have Nancy, a young adult and recent college graduate who owns an old used car and is looking for an apartment. Now let's take a look at Tom. Tom graduated from college years ago. He owns a fairly new car and is living in a condo he bought with his wife only a few years back. Let's say Nancy's car is worth $4,000, Tom's car is worth $20,000, and his condo is worth $210,000. Nancy's total assets are $4,000, while Tom's total assets are $230,000. Now let's take a look at their liabilities and the things they owe. Nancy does not have a car loan for her vehicle, but like all recent college graduates, she does have some college debt and credit card balances. Let's estimate those at $20,000 and place them under her total liabilities. Tom, on the other hand, has a car loan of $10,000 and a mortgage balance of $190,000 for his condo. However, since he graduated from college many years ago and has thus paid off his college loans, he does not have any college debt. So we'll only estimate his credit card balances at $15,000, bringing his total liabilities to $215,000. Following the accounting equation, which is assets equals liabilities plus equity, then we will find that Nancy's equity, or net worth, is negative $16,000. Using the same accounting equation for Tom, we find that his equity, or net worth, is actually a positive $15,000. The professor explained that these results are typical. Most young adults, like Nancy, who are just out of college, tend to have lots of debt with minimal assets. Tom's positive net worth is indicative of most couples in their early 30s who are now starting to accumulate some assets while reducing their liabilities. Try this simplified balance sheet example yourself. What are your assets? What are your liabilities? And what is your net worth?